Hey, it's Jody Santangelo, and I am on vacation. I am staying at the fabulous Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco, California. I am having a great time. Lots and lots of dignitaries and celebrities, they stay here. Well, it's such a beautiful hotel. I mean, you should see all of the gorgeous chandeliers all over the hotel. And oh my gosh, you should see the bathroom. It's nicer than the bathroom I have at home. There's lots and lots of marble and really pretty lighting. And they have those, those really cozy, soft, warm, fuzzy robes they allow you to use while you're here. And then, or you could just step outside and you can pick up a trolley car and you can take it all the way to Fisherman's Wharf, or you can go to the chocolate factory, or you can go to any of the zillions and zillions of restaurants around here. I'm really having a great time. Now you're probably looking at me and thinking, that Jody, she's pretty lucky. Well, what I am is a deliberate attractor. You see, I know how this law of attraction stuff works. Did you happen to notice that my excitement as I was sharing my experience with you? Well, it's that excitement, it's that enthusiasm, it's that appreciation that I have for all of the beauty around me, and it's the gratitude that I have, hey, that my husband was able to bring me on this fabulous trip. So all of that is such a wonderful feeling of abundance. Now that's important to know, that abundance is a feeling. And that's important for two reasons, because number one, if abundance is a feeling, just like charades, we can duplicate the feeling. And number two, we know that the only job of law of attraction is to match our feelings. Well, it actually matches the vibe or the energy that we're putting out as a result of our feelings. So, if you want to attract more abundance in your life, here are 3 quick tips. Number one, be really deliberate about noticing all of the abundance around you, or anything that you deem as abundant. You see, too often we take that stuff for granted. And number 2, I want you to celebrate it. Get excited about it. And number 3, I want you to milk the moment. Now here's what I mean by that. I want you to stay in that energy for as long as you possibly can. Look, I'm excited about it. I'm making a video about it. And I'm going to go Facebook about it. I'm going to call my friends about it. So stay in that energy for as long as you can. All right, so if you want to attract more abundance in your life, it all comes down to this. We want to be more deliberate senders of the vibration of abundance.